Hi, this is Andrew Jaffe, owner and author of iOSbrain.com. And I don't know if you can tell now, but the sun's really bright. I mean, I am blinded by the light. And hey, that was a great song in the late 70s. Anyway, I diverge. We started the site in 2016, and I want to thank you guys for all the readers out there that have just bombarded the site looking for great information, mainly about iOS and macOS development in the Apple environment using Xcode and Interface Builder. And we did a little Objective-C in the beginning, but I mean, when we started, Swift was already becoming predominant. So most of the code on the site is in Swift. And but it's just not about Swift. That's kind of narrow thinking about everything in terms of one programming language. I mean, there's billions of programming languages out there, and they're like human languages. I mean, we all talk to each other about the same things in all cultures, and it's the same thing in programming languages. It's just different styles for different folks. And so we've talked about protocol-oriented programming because of, Swift is supposedly all protocol-oriented, and but I'm not sure if SwiftUI is. And we've talked about, C++ and object-oriented programming, and we've talked about, whether reference semantics are safer than value semantics, and oh boy, we've talked about delegation and property observers, and I mean, we've covered a lot of ground, but there's a lot of, things keep changing. There's a lot of ground to cover. So I want you to join me and be here with me working together with your feedback so we can learn more about how things are going. And since everyone's talking about SwiftUI, let's start with a tutorial on transitioning from the WYSIWYG interface builder style of dragging and dropping your interface to writing your interface in code in a declarative format. So, on this very bright day, I invite you to join me and enjoy with me.